Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install LED taillights in the rear of a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. You will need a T15 Torx bit to get the screws out. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of it. There's two screws right here in the inside of the tailgate. So that one right here. And that's it. You just grab this, you'll pull it straight out and then down. There's a little clip there. And all you have to do is twist, release it. Clockwise. There it goes. It's really dirty. There's also a side marker right here. That's it. Got moisture in there. Probably about time for a new housing anyway. So basically you should be able to just pop these out and stick in some new ones. Grab my new LEDs. Grab the side wire. Only thing now is to check and make sure the polarity is correct on these. If it's incorrect, you just flip them around and I'll take care of it. Let's see. Those working. We'll just need to check the reverse light. I guess I'll have to refer to the video. Alright, so I set up for a little closer shot, that way you can get a better view of it. But I'm going to crank it back up and test out the brake lights and the reverse lights. So hopefully you got a good view of the lights. I'm going to refer to the video to just make sure everything's working. Alright, so I'm going to set up and show you real quick how to reassemble everything. It's not too difficult, but there ain't a lot of slack, unfortunately. So, all I was going to do, just line it back up, which you got to go counterclockwise. Then turn it clockwise to get it back in. Clockwise, get them lined up, like so, and rotate it. Make sure you get it clear, and lock. Get that back down in the clip. And you've probably seen my previous video where I was having issues with getting the hyperfat flashing fixed because of the resistors for some reason didn't have my daytime running lights working. But anyway, I'm not too concerned with it. Normally, if you want to prevent the hyper flashing, you're going to have to install load resistors on these, and that'll prevent the hyper flashing. But each light needs one load resistor. And you take your T15 Torx bit and screw your screws back in. And it's just as easy as that. Yeah, now it's back in, and I'll have a video of before and after when I get done. Other side's the same way, just reverse. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to change out the cargo lights and third brake light on a 07 to 13 GMC Sierra. You will need a T20 Torx bit, and there's just 2 screws on each side of the lighthouse. Definitely need to clean up here a little bit. It's been a while. Alright, so you got one clip here. You can remove that. And then gasket's looking a little rough. You rotate counterclockwise, I believe. Let's see. Too tight. Right. That'll make too tight. That's it. You just pop the bulb out. Easy as that. I've been using these, I think they're T10 LED bulbs. And they just slide right in there. And like all the others, you got to make sure that you get the right polarity. So, take that out. Pop a new one in. These here are really tight. I'll have to get some pliers for that one. But you get the idea. Basically, once they're in, just make sure that they do work before you screw this back in. And it's easy as that. So now I got all the LEDs installed. I'm gonna go in. I got it laying down there, that way I can see it from the inside of the cab. I can make sure they're all working, and if not, I know which one to switch out. So I got one out of the three, or four, I mean. Like this one. Got that one. Swap it around. There we go. I believe it was this one here wasn't working. Now that I got them all swapped around, they should all work. If you want to turn on your cargo light, all you have to do is turn on your interior lights, and that'll also turn on your cargo lights. Alright, so finally got the LEDs in here on the Sierra. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned a little something. I'm going to have links in the description of all the lights I used today. That way you can go ahead and get them and be ready to change them out, because it does help the look, especially at night. And here in just a second, I'll give you a little clip so you can kind of get an idea of the before and after, what it looks like. But yeah, definitely a lot brighter for sure. And check out the video on the headlights. Hopefully you can learn a little something there and help me out if you know anything about those resistors and why my daytime running lights ain't working. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Start this thing. I'm gonna have links in the description of all the bulbs that I used, and I'm gonna just keep rambling on, and hopefully you learned a little something, something. Yeah, that's not cool.